Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to know the template name on Squarespace. So guys, I'm gonna show you a trick on how to do that. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the preview of your site. So just simply go to the top right corner of the screen and click on this preview icon over here. And after that, just simply right click on your home page and go for the view page source. And just simply tap on your keyboard Control F. And after that, just simply search for template ID. So guys, from here, just simply copy this code. And after that, just simply go to google.com and just simply search for Squarespace Finder template. And from here, guys, just simply click on this Silva Bokis. So click on this one. And after that, this is your best chance in order for you to find the name of the template that you choose. So from here, just simply provide the template name. So this will be the number that we just copied earlier. So guys, from here, you should be able to see all of the possible template name on your Squarespace and just simply click on the link over here, and best in luck that you should be able to know the template name on the Squarespace. And guys, as you can see, we have the instruction as well at the top over here that we just did. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.